Good morning, guys. We are heading back over to Mugen Rob's over at JDM Fabrication to go work on the Acura NSX today. We're going to attempt to pull the engine off the subframe and separate the transmission and possibly even get the J series onto the transmission, put it all back together so that way the car can roll around and stuff like that, since we pulled everything out. Did bring a couple of parts with me. I also brought my suspension with me in case I have time. I might throw that on today. We'll see. Might leave it for another video later on. But yeah, that's the plan right now. And as I'm driving down there, I'm just listening to some fishing stuff, because, you know, that's my other thing I like to do, is go fishing. You know, while I drive, I like to at least listen to the guys and a couple of the clickbaiters and cameraman Ron's video right now from South Florida. So
we are down to like 46, 47 degrees, but it's gonna warm up nice. It's gonna be almost 80.
Yeah. So I got about another 30 plus minutes to go, and we'll be able to get working on the car. So we'll see you in a bit. Now we can put the subframe on the cart. I'll put that front piece, line that up, and then just throw it up there. Okay. And I'll hook up the control arms. I just want to try to get this piece on this end here. Coming now. Keep going. I use the light gun. We don't really need that much oomph.
Already started. Yeah, we don't need a lot of oomph on any of these.
Should be able to drop this cart down. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and separate the 5-speed transmission from the OEM engine, the C30 you see back here. I already got it pulled out of the car. I'm gonna pull the transmission off, hopefully be able to swap over some of the parts like the flywheel, clutch, and then reassemble that transmission onto the new J series that we're going to putting on the car. And that'll probably be the extent of our day, but we'll see how things go and how things progress if I get stuff done a little quick today. I apologize, I haven't been able to put a video up here in a while. It's been pretty chilly and I'm just a big pussy and I hate cold weather, so I just can't do it. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing done and get it separated for y'all. So just stay tuned, we'll see. Starter 17 also.
Yeah. We won't do the top two yet until we're ready to.
Yeah, they'll do the last two. on the second plate.
Hold it right now.
I'll grab this 10 over here. Alright, this one on. Inspection plate is up. Ooh, we got a pretty clutch. I think it's got a twin, bro. It looks like a twin, but it's not.
Might be.
I know this bitch snatch is hard, so.
Might be a Exedy.
It is. He said that's what it was.
Yeah.
He didn't know what stage.
Now this guy, once.
Yeah, how it grabs. Do we need to separate it from?
Yeah, once we pull it out a little bit, then it should separate.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
But once it comes off a little bit, then you can pull this, you can turn it and get it out.
Okay.
Get out of the way. But yeah, that's how you figure it out. Yeah, it just goes in here and it's right in.
Nice. I have to remember that shit.
Pretty simple. Or on these NSXs.
Yeah. Well,
Alright.
I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we'll undo the top bolts.
Any other wiring holding up top? Nope.
No, I guess we got everything else disconnected. Get your one bolt wonder. Need them up. There we go.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, broken, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost,
Look at the clutch fork in.
Once you get off a little bit more, it's gotta come off like a half-inch.
Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't
Probably gonna need a
move
rubber
on
mallet.
till I let go.
It's probably stuck in the valve.
So lost, never at home. Need to be strong every breath, oh. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Woo. It's pretty in purple, yay!
It's just a single.
That's alright, I'll take it.
It's just a single clutch. Looks like it's still okay.
Yeah, I mean it's new. It should only have about 500 miles. Oh, to hold it?
Yeah, I made this a long time ago.
Hell yeah. What size you need? 14, 17?
17.
I'll get it. Yeah, these don't have bells. Yeah, that's not gonna come off that easy. Oh, here it goes. Should have left my gloves on this time.
Want to put the pyro behind it?
No, it's coming. Here. Yeah. All right. Gonna put this motherfucker on stand. Nice. Yay.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing the train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep, move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
All right.
No binding at all.
We got the Exedy Clutch back on the J series. So we're gonna see how this goes here. There she is. Sweet. Now on this one, eventually, when we do the other engine, the built V6 that we're going to put in here, this will go away and we're going to go with a twin disc on here, just so it makes it a little bit easier to drive. Right now with the single disc 6-puck, the engagement's pretty stout on this thing, and you definitely feel it. I think the twin disc, well, not only will it grab about the same or better, it's definitely going to be a little more comfortable to drive on the street. So yep, got that on. Next we'll put that transmission on.
Help you put on.
drop it down a little bit. No, it's not. Drop the engine down a little bit. Hold it. Okay, that's good. Can't hold that motherfucker no more. Hold it. Alright, we're up into the dowels.
There's one lined up.
And the other one's lined up.
Yep. We'll bolt them.
Drop down the engine just a hair, so I have some pivot room. That should be good. All right, transmission is on. It is on. It's attached to the J series now, so the fucking sun is killing me here. There you go. All right, she's on. Got the transmission attached to the J series. We're gonna leave it at that for today. Come back another time and do some more stuff. I still gotta finish up the wiring schematic and get that completed to run the Infinity onto the 32 harness and the jumper that I'm making. So anyway, we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna finish putting the starter on there real quick, and we're just gonna call it quits for now. So guys, thanks for joining. I'll see you in the next one.